You're watching Stewart J, the Bowtie Cook, with simple seasonal recipes.
That is beautiful. Welcome back to the channel and Summer in Europe collection. Today we're in Spain. The recipe is Pinchos Morunos, a delicious Spanish street food favourite. Pinchos Morunos or Moorish skewers are inspired by North African flavours brought to Spain during the Moorish reign. And we're making it today out of traditional recipe with pork for a tasty midday snack. So let's get mixing. Okay, we've got the pork into the pan. So the first thing I'll do, I'm going to put the dry ingredients in. I've got paprika here, and sweet smoked paprika. Here we've got some oregano, some sea salt, and some black ground pepper, and some garlic. Let's just get it all coated all the way round so it gets all over the pork. Now the next thing is some olive oil, just enough to cover it, and that will help the spices penetrate the meat. Next, some lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and some parsley. And give that a mix. We're going to leave it in the fridge for 4 hours. We'll come back and put the skewers on. It's been 4 hours now. Back out of the fridge, so let's get them skewered up. Okay, that's the first one done. We'll come back when I've got them all. So yes, right, they're all done. All of the skewers. Got 3 lovely skewers there. Next thing, get them over on the barbie. So let's get these Pinchos Morunos on. They're really going well now, so they need to be turned over. Look at that char on there. Isn't that beautiful? Let's put them across that way. Oh, they're going really well. They are done now, so let's take them off. And let's get the flatbread on. Right, it's ready to give it a taste. So, being it's a snack, we just pull a piece of the bread off, like that. And then, put a piece of the pork in there, a bit of lemon juice, and a bit of parsley. That is beautiful. The flavours there, all mixed in. Absolutely wonderful. So light for midday. What else can I say? I have another bite. Hope you enjoyed this Summer in Europe collection in Spain. So, see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. New recipe every Wednesday.